Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 3rd to the 9th. And I'm going to say right off the bat, already very impressed with this, pairing this with IBOTTA, Fetch deals. My goodness gracious, we're going to have some amazing savings. Let's remember that the fun starts on Sunday the 3rd, so you have to wait. Before we dive into the deals, I want to talk really quickly about my favorite app of all times, which is the Fetch Rewards app. Guys, you basically download the app, start photographing your receipts. Your receipts amount to points, and these points amount towards gift cards. Well, I was saving for quite a little bit. Time to embarrass my dear old mom a little bit. I bought this little set of a weed whacker and a leaf blower for $40 on clearance at Walmart. I used a Fetch Rewards gift card, and I made it happen where I managed to get her something she really needed for her home on a budget, thanks to the Fetch app. And if you shop a lot and have a lot of receipts, man, you can really start racking up those points quickly. And this is Walmart. And yeah, I basically used a little $25 gift card. It was on clearance. And, I paid $15 for that beautiful weed whacker. And she's so proud with it. Love using my Fetch Rewards gift cards for clearance, but if you're more food motivated, we have Domino's at $5, we have Dunkin' Donuts at $3 or $5. I mean, if you download the app, use my link, and then you start photographing some receipts, you can probably get a Dunkin' Donuts gift card this afternoon. It's that easy, guys. If you photograph your first receipt and you're new to this app, you're given $2, which is 2,000 points. So if you're new to this app, never heard of it, stuff that you can't really coupon for, like certain groceries, you get points back for that when you photograph your receipt. So check it out if you've never heard of this app. And I do love using it for clearance purchases. Okay, friends, first thing we're going to talk about is this, and it's a booster. 5 back when you spend 20. These started popping up on Wednesday morning, so check your digital coupons folder and load it. And it just makes these deals extra sweet and extra savings, and they've been showing up a lot in the last couple of weeks as well. So a couple rules for the newbies out there. This is starting on Sunday, the 3rd, and it's until the 9th, so you have that window. It is of a one-time use, and yes, you can stack a paper one if you might receive one out of the Catalina machine with this digital one. You cannot use an IVC or Walgreens Cash concert with these spend boosters. Definitely use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills to pay the balance. Do not use your Walgreens Cash or you will not receive it back. Okay, so the first little thing we're going to look at is this. It's $4 of Walgreens Cash when you buy 2 of the participating products. If you look at the Olay and then that Scope Crest, that's what we're going to go for in this first little dealio. And of course, because some things are quite predictable, we're going to pair this little guy with a deal because it's extra savings, and hey, why not? One of my cards got this one and another one got like 5 back when you spend 25. So hey, that's at least something. So looking at this, guys, we're grabbing 3 Olay body washes for $18. The third one will ring up for $6, just to note that. And then 1 Crest toothpaste for $4. So the total here is $22. Remember, I have my 5 back when I spend 20 booster loaded. I have $6 of digital manufacturers, a 5 off of 3 for the Olay, and $1 for the Crest. I'm paying $16 with my debit card. And then I'm getting back $8 in Walgreens Cash as I bought 2 sets, getting back 4 each, plus the $5 of Walgreens Cash for the booster. So the final price point here is $3 for the 4 items, or 75 cents each. And do not use your Walgreens Cash with the spend booster. Just say you want some toothpaste and mouthwash. Let's grab 1 of each for $4. There's dollar digitals for both the wash and the paste, so $1 comes off for each. You're going to pay $6 out of pocket, get back your $4 in Walgreens Cash, making it 2 for $2 or $1 each. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, you can absolutely, use your Walgreens Cash, spend it to earn it in this little scenario. Okay, so this is an interesting one. 3 for $6, so it makes each product $2 each, and the Purex crystals are included. Typically, those crystals are like, $5.99 for 1, so there's a bit of value right there. Now, if you remember last week, a lot of us were getting these little $5 register rewards for Revlon, so if you want to throw that in or throw in some Walgreens Cash, I think that's just a super smart move in my humble opinion. I would grab 3 of the Purex crystals if you like that for your laundry. That's $6. $5, subtracting one of those 5 off of 3 register rewards, or alternatively Walgreens Cash, pay $1. I think this is just a super smart flip. And if you're forgetful like me, sometimes those things end up lost in my wallet and then I lose the $5. So spend them, guys, wisely. And this is a really smart deal. Okay, this is one that I think you should do regardless because this is really cool stuff. We have the Unstoppable spray for fabric, to make your couches and such smell like, unstoppable, delicious Febreze. And then the Swiffer, those little it's like a dryer sheet, but you can pick up dust with it. Even if you don't have the proper Swiffer broom, if you just use it on a wall or something like that, it can really clean up like a bathroom or a room that you wouldn't even think about using it for cleaning. But it really is like magic to pick up dust and debris. Okay, so the sales price for this is $3.99 a pop. So grabbing one Febreze spray and then one Swiffer, that is $7.98. We have a $2 digital for both starting on Sunday. So load both of those. You'll pay $3.98. I would absolutely use $4 in Walgreens Cash and just call this a very smart deal. It's just like meat and potato stuff for your house for cleaning, and it really can, especially if you have pets, it will make your couches and pillows and that sort of thing smell really great. Okay, so now we're looking at this book, which is the Big Book of Savings on page 6. You can have these loaded digitally or scan them right out of the book. Page 6, we're going to be using both of these coupons for the next 2 deals. So as you can see, the Scott is $5 still, and there's a $1.25 IVC, dropping it down to dirt cheap. That tied at $3.99, a bit too rich for this girl, so we're going to take a pass on it. So with the paper, I would grab 3 toilet papers for $15, get the cashier to scan that IVC once at $1.25 off, and then the total is $11.25. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens Cash, pay $1.25. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, because you know what? Kimberly Clark, which is the Scott family, you'll get back extra points for that. As there is a rumor of a really shortage with the supply chain, cargo ships being stuck in California and on the East Coast. I don't know if there's going to be another toilet paper shortage, so stock up, guys. Use your Walgreens Cash. I just think it's a really smart move right now, especially everything we're seeing in the news. Okay, so the more expensive Viva and Cottonelle, I think Viva is like either $5.99 or $6.99 this week over at Walgreens. So it's going to be down, I believe, to $4.99 starting on Sunday, and there's a $1 IVC coupon dropping it down to $3.99. So looking at this, if you want to grab one of the Vivas, the typical price point for this is $6.99. It's a more expensive paper towel. Grabbing one after the IVC or whatever the digital coupon is, it's going to be $3.99. I would throw in $4 of Walgreens Cash and pay down the tax for that one. And Viva is part of Kimberly Clark. It's their fancier line of paper towel. So I would absolutely photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app and start raking in those points. Okay, so now we have this, which is to spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. Operative word here is spend, so you must pay with your debit card, credit card for the balance, as it is a spend deal. Now, if you might have been so lucky to receive this guy, let's also throw one of these in the little dealio for you. I just think it's a super smart thing, and if you're anything like me, I haven't been shopping a lot for shampoo, so this might be a really good shampoo deal. So grabbing 2 of the Tresemes for $10 and then 2 of the Head & Shoulders for $12, that right there is a total of $22. Now we have our 5 back when you spend $20 booster loaded. The digital coupons that we need to load include the 4 off of 2 for the Tresemme and the 3 off of 2 for the Head & Shoulders. So you're left with paying $15, say, on your debit card, and then getting back $10 of Walgreens Cash. As you spent $20 for the booster and $20 for the shampoo, that's $10 back. So it shakes out $5 for 4 or $1.25 per shampoo. Remember, do not use your Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance for this one, and take a photo of that to the Fetch Rewards app, because Tresemme is part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for that purchase. Little hand soap deal. As you see, it's 7.5 to 11.25. So we are going to go for the little cheapy guy for $1.99. So it is the 7.5 ounce of the soft soap. Remember, it's on a BOGO 50% off. So four of them at $1.99 is $5.97, BOGO 50% off. Subtracting the 75-cent digital, you're left with paying $5.22 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens Cash, making it $1.22 for the four, or 30 cents per hand soap. That is something called a stock up price. If you're doing this deal on its own and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, yes, you can spend it to earn it. Super smart move. Okay, guys, so let's take a quick look at some honorable mentions. First thing, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is a free drink, which is this bubbly bounce. Make sure that the rebate is still there. And if you look at the bottom left-hand corner, Walgreens, so get one for free. The All Snuggle Those Good Things, $2.99, dollar digital starting on Sunday, so it'll drop it down to $1.99. If you might have a larger, like spend 35, get back 7, or spend 50, get back 10, this might be a great little thing to throw into the basket with a digital coupon. A lot of us had really high value Revlon coupons, so if by chance you still have them, obviously this is a good deal to buy $10 of clearance and to get back a $4 register reward. We're going to have to wait and see if that's working with clearance makeup. So at the very least, we'll have to wait and see on this one, but yet another deal for Revlon Cosmetics. Okay, 3 for $12.99 for the Coke and Pepsi, 3 for $9.99 for 7-Up, the Sunkissed, and 2 for $6 for the little Chippies. So these are the food deals of the week. Time to stock up. Another thing that I heard in the news that sounded kind of bizarre is that there's going to be a bacon shortage of everything. Today's news, there's bad news. That's it. So 2 for $9, not the worst deal, and you're getting a pound of the Oscar Mayer bacon, and that is also part of the Fetch catalog. So yay! Photograph that receipt if you're buying the bacon. And then with Halloween, October, first week, a bunch of different goodies on BOGO 50% off. Look at that super cute little Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, isn't that so nice? I think that's just really adorable. I might have to grab one, even though I don't decorate for the holidays or for Halloween. And then the kids' toys, $9.99, and then buy 2, get 1 for free. Really good deals, and apparently there's supposed to be a shortage for toys as well this Christmas. Sorry, this video is so negative. And then more Halloween little toys. I love these Squishmallows. If you want them, maybe get them sooner than later, because everybody's especially buying the Nightmare Before Christmas Squishmallows. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.